How to fix Roblox error code 529. If you are getting error code 529 when trying to play Roblox, this tutorial will help you fix it as well as explain what might be causing it in the first place. Roblox error code 529 is an HTTP error, says we are experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later. This error usually occurs when Roblox servers are undergoing maintenance, are overloaded or experiencing other issues. Here are some of the solutions you can try. Solution number 1, fix your internet or Wi-Fi connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi and the signal is weak, this could be a possible cause. Try moving closer to the Wi-Fi hotspot or connect directly with an Ethernet cable. Solution number 2, this may be a temporary problem the Roblox servers are experiencing. Go to status.roblox.com to see if there are any outages or other issues. You can also check social media sites like Twitter to see if other players are having the same error. If you notice other people or your friends complaining of the same issue, there's a good chance it is a server issue and not on your end. If it is a Roblox server issue, it is likely that you won't be able to do anything from your end other than wait or contact Roblox support at roblox.com/support. Solution number 3, log out, then log back into Roblox. Sometimes this error could be caused if another device is logged in using your account. Try logging out, make sure you know your password, and then log back in again. You may want to close your browser completely, start it back up again before attempting to log in. If this doesn't work the first time, try clearing your browser's cache. Solution number 4, restart your PC or Mac computer, Xbox console or mobile device. Sometimes a simple reboot will fix the problem. Solution number 5, contact the developer of the game and test a different game to see if you get the same error. Before contacting a specific Roblox game developer, try playing other games to see if you get the same error. If the error only shows up on a certain game, then send them a message. You can try to contact them through Roblox, but you may need to find them on Twitter, Discord, their website or other social media site. Take a look at the Games About page to view contact information. Solution number 6, don't forget the obvious solution of clicking the retry button. Retry and retry again. Solution number 7, try playing on a different platform. If you're getting the error on your desktop computer, try playing the game on your mobile device or Xbox if you have one to see if you can play without getting the error. Solution number 8, do a clean install of Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your computer or other device, then do a clean reinstall. Solution number 9, try the new Roblox Windows Beta app. Roblox has a desktop app for Windows, which may eliminate the error. You should see a banner link that looks similar to this when you log in and visit the home page. Click the Try It Now button to download and install the desktop app. Hopefully one of these solutions has fixed your error code 529 message. If not, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please take a moment to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.